and I asked a question just before. You'll probably see it there somewhere. Just about, is it possible to transcribe videos with some software, or do you need to do it with a human, or at the moment? Because I'd like to I love her content, the way she does it, but you can change it up a bit, of course, as well.
Wait, I think I can show you really quick how you can get a video script from a video and then transcribe it, get the transcription, and then also how you can paraphrase it if you want to. Give me 1 second. I'm going to share my screen, and then I'll show you this real quick. Yeah. All right, let me share this real quick. So Darren, if you just open up any given YouTube video, then you can open the description, click show transcript. Then on the right bar here, it shows the transcript.
Does it show every word, does it, that's spoken on that video?
It's an automated generated script from the spoken words. So maybe it misses or sometimes writes things wrong. So what you do now is click the 3 dots and toggle the timestamp so they're off. And now you can just copy this whole script.
Okay.
So what you can then do is open up a Google Drive file with a Word file, copy paste the script in there. Now you have this video script, right? So you either use the script and rewrite it yourself, or you can use ChatGPT to paraphrase it, or you can use Quillbot to paraphrase it. Now you can copy paste this whole script in Quillbot or ChatGPT, but if you ask it to paraphrase it that way, you probably only get like it doesn't give you the full script paraphrased. In Quillbot it does, but still it misses some parts sometimes. So maybe like it's best to do it per paragraph, like part by part. So that is
all right. That's a good. Thank you.
That's something you can do to get these transcripts and paraphrase them in your own style.
I'm just about to. I haven't started on your content yet, so I'll start that tomorrow. I've just been a bit busy today.